Hello, dear. We're back from the bar. We walked. It was a time. Oh, I locked myself fucking out. We're going through the garage. Why would I do that?
So many nights I've called your name. No silver lining to this cloud.
Hey guys, Shadow Schroeder here. Welcome back to another Night Mom video. Today's episode is going to be kind of like another maintenance video. So I needed tires for my car. When we were doing the brakes, George, Mark, and I, we noticed that I really needed tires. Yeah, I see. Crack one, crack two, tire wear. I know. Yeah, it's a Lexus.
We get customers that come in, it's fully around the whole thing. So like,
well, it's this is on the to-do list to do this year, guys. Don't worry. I got a couple more videos coming out. This is going to be taken care of.
They're not directional, so you can just rotate them.
You're directional. So when I originally bought this car a couple years ago, I read that this vehicle has an issue with inner tire wear. And I'm not an engineer, but from what I read, it was like something like Lexus wanted something where the vehicle felt smooth and drove like a Lexus, but it handled like a sports car and it was very sporty. So basically the tires are kind of like naturally cambered a little bit, and since I'm lowered, it makes it a little bit worse. And so it just kind of wears your inner tire a little bit quicker than normal, which is very unfortunate. So like I said, when we were doing my brakes, I noticed my inner tires were getting pretty bad. And so, of course, I did what any natural person would do. Ignored it. I was just like, yeah, I'll take care of it one of these days. And unfortunately, one of these days came a little bit sooner when I went to go get my oil change. And I'm waiting in the waiting area, and the tech comes out, looks right at me and goes, and that usually means something bad they found. So I was just in for an oil change. So of course, when I went back there, the inner tire wear was getting pretty bad, and my belt was showing. I had some cracks in the tires, and having a 19-month-old, I was like, okay, I really need to get these tires taken care of. But of course, before I did, I actually looked up and saw that there was a couple different companies out there that made a part. And that part is to replace this guy right here. So this is the lower control arm bushing that's stock on your Lexus IS. And again, I'm not an engineer by any means, but the inner area is kind of like this like cheap rubber, and it flexes really hard when braking. So when you do your cornering and when you do your braking at high speeds and yada yada, your lower control arms kind of flex really hard with this, and that's what causes the inner tire wear. So I ended up going through RR Racing, and I got their lower control arm bushings, and that's what I installed on the Lexus. So as I got my tires put on, I had the tech put on the lower control arm bushings, which is something that I could have done myself, but I figured while it was up on the lift, might as well just do it, and I just Venmo'd him a couple bucks. Although he was at work, so I really didn't want to disturb him too bad. So this video is going to be kind of more just like a vibe video. There's not going to be much talking. It's just going to be a bunch of low chill music and just watching my tires get replaced and the lower control arm bushings replaced. I will post a tutorial video on the bottom how to actually install the lower control arm bushings from one of my dear friends at S&E Garage. I'm going to post his video down below if you guys want to actually see how these are installed. So this is actually going to be part one of a two-part series where I'm just going to be dialing in my suspension, just trying to make her overall safe for my family and of course my daughter. So we have brand new tires on her now, and the lower control arm bushings are installed. I'll probably do an update probably in like a couple days to see how I'm doing with them and how I like them. And then I have a couple other things I want to do to get this dialed in. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and enjoy part one.
Just a little silver, just a little faith, a little holy water won't keep you safe. Just a little nibble, that's all it takes. Lose your soul and mind, all the hearts you break. Just a little whiskey, just a little wine, just a little spoonful on your knees for dimes. Just a little bad luck, that's all it takes. You just wanna feel love, take the pain away. Don't fall in love with damaged goods. Just carve your own name in the wood. I know you're waiting for the fall. I know it's hard to be alone. Alone. Some time to mend yourself before you get back on the shelf. Maybe it's something, maybe no. I know it's hard to be alone. Enjoy a flashy car, enjoy the caviar, enjoy your iron fist stained with blood. Enjoy your plastic wife, enjoy your stupid lie, Enjoy the servants coming for you. Always it all goes away. One down to crumble away. Always it all goes away. Faster you circle the trade. Enjoy the guillotine. Enjoy the plots and schemes. Enjoy your heart giving out in the night. Enjoy your lemon car. Enjoy your Tennessee. Enjoy the show, the narco delight. Always it all goes away. One down to crumble away. Always it all goes away. Faster you circle the trade.
.75 of an ounce, so that's how much weight I'm putting on the inside,
Okay.
and then the inside and then the outside, the one's half an ounce.
Okay. No way. Oh.
Only one last thing. I'm gonna wait for today. shut your bloody mouth. The tar is spilling out. How I love your face. I'll party on your grave. It's hard enough on earth with lions, tigers and germs. Now we're stuck here with you, parasitic world.
To the right. Yeah, you gotta be careful with the trunk.
Slither back to the swamp, crawl back to your cave. A world without you is a world that's safe. Watch your tentacles, stay away from me. You're a slime and smiles, I'm a fist with teeth.